Our people are already saturated by permanent cross-blaming and unfulfilled promises. As a citizen option, we are giving a choice of unity and compromise instead of conflicts and fear. Provision of ethnical stability in the country is the crucial internal precondition for the political stability, and it is non-replaceable factor for the economic prosperity. The guarantee that we can fulfill these needs in our country, in Macedonian society, is the fact that citizen option for Macedonia is composed by all nationalities that are living in Macedonia. Regarding the provision of full independence of the judiciary system, using appropriate personal choice of authoritative members of the National Judiciary Council and Constitutional Court, I will do my best to protect this system from the political influence. Efficient measures and proper professionals appointed by the President against the affecting of the state security, organized crime and corruption will be my mission to provide internal stability in the country. Regional cooperation is broad opportunity for economic growth and prosperity. I will promote the principle of equi-collaboration instead of the policy of equidistance, with all neighboring countries trying to overcome all open issues, but in the same time taking care about the name and identity in our country and our people. Republic of Macedonia needs new people for fast-changing world which is not black and white. I believe in my country and my people, and I'm sure that they will make the right choice.
Храбар човек, горда држава. Зоран Поповски за председател. Храбро за Македонија. Заокружи 4.